A very warm good morning to one and all. I am Sonam Laden Lipcha and I am going to explain you this model. So, we are with the theme Technology and Toys. The sub-theme is Eco-friendly material and the title is Human urine used as organic fertilizer. So, this is the roof of our school and these are the roof canals. The water from the roof canals is getting stored into two tanks, tank A and tank B. The water from tank A is getting used in the midday meal kitchen, and from the midday meal kitchen, the wastewater is getting collected into this tank wastewater collection tank. The water collected in tank B is getting supplied to the washrooms. The water stored in tank A is getting used in the midday meal kitchen, and the wastewater from the midday meal kitchen is getting collected in this tank wastewater collection tank. The collected water in tank B is getting supplied to the tanks of the washroom, and the overflowed water from this tank is getting supplied to the underground water tank to store it so that we won't face scarcity throughout the year. Now, the main part of our model are these two washrooms where through these outlet pipes the urine is getting collected into the urine collection tank, and from the urine collection tank with the help of the control unit it's getting supplied to the diluted or fertilizer collection tank. The work of these control units are to maintain the ratio of 1 is to 10 to make the urine diluted so that it will cause less harm to the plants. And from the fertilizer collection tank, the fertilizer is getting supplied with the help of the dripping irrigation system to our garden. And some amount of urine is also supplied to the decomposed pit. Some amount of urine is also getting supplied to the decomposed pit to maintain the moisture in the decomposed pit and to improve the quality of the organic material and green manure in this decomposed pit so that we can use the improved organic manure in our small kitchen garden. The science behind this model will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sonam Laden, for the brief information you have given about the model. Now, I, Bindu Chetri, would like to proceed forward with the scientific reasoning of the model. So, the scientists all over the world have already recognized and declared that human urine has a very great potential for providing micronutrients as well as macronutrients for the plant's growth. Now, talking about the principle of a model, our model is based on the principle of waste management of solid as well as liquid waste. Solid waste in the form of organic litter and the liquid waste in the form of urine. Talking about the chemical composition of urine, we can say urine is made up of ammonia, phosphate, magnesium, potassium, creatinine, 95% of water and 2% of urea, which is very helpful in the agricultural sectors. Now, physical components of a model. So basically we have the water harvesting system, we have the wastewater collecting tank, the urine collecting tank, decomposing pit, the organic fertilizer tank, collecting tank, and lastly we have the drip irrigation system. Now how does a model work? The water from the wastewater collecting tank, it goes to the organic fertilizer collection tank. Now the urine from the urine collecting tank also goes to the organic fertilizer collecting tank in the ratio of 10 is to 1, such that the urine is very dilute and very helpful for the plant's growth. Now some portion of the dilute urine, it also goes to the decomposing pit where the organic litters moistens up and the green manure can further add to the nutrition of the plant. Now, every model has certain disadvantages and advantages to it. Talking about advantages, we can say urine is eco-friendly, it is cost-effective, insect repellent, and also it is very useful for decreasing the growing demands of inorganic fertilizer. In the disadvantage, we have urine has a very pungent smell, and the urine of women using contraceptives cannot be used for this means because they are very harmful for the plants. Now, implementation. Implementation can be in institutions like colleges, schools, universities, botanical gardens, such that 1.5 liters of urine can cultivate about 1 meter square of land, which is very beneficial. Now, at last, concluding our presentation, I can say that Though urine is a very useful and the best replacement for the inorganic fertilizers found in market, but people don't want to associate something they eat with something they excrete. So they think it's gross. So that is the reason why people are not being open minded to this practice, though many institutions are teaching and propagating the means, but still it is yet to reach many. So I think that this presentation and this model can make people aware and encourage people to use this means. Thank you so much.